Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Today is 9th of September and the crypto market is somehow starting to recover. The major altcoins like Bitcoin, Ethereum are just lagging and just sidewaving, but few altcoins are pumping well. I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news every day and some technical analysis, altcoin news, DeFi and NFT related things. So smash the like and let's share my screen and let's check our favorite bubble chart to see how the market is doing. And as you see, just few coins, a few altcoins are in red. So Quant is correcting, but went up really well in the past few days, and just few coins with few percentage down. But Radium, this is the decentralized exchange on Solana. Ingold, Shiba, IOST, HBAR, OMG, Algorand, Mina Protocol, Helium, Atom, Waves, Phantom, Solana pumping again, and R-Wave as well. And as you see, Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, so not moving too much. They need more power also. Binance Coin, ADA, and XRP, the big market cap coins, not doing too much today. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And param, we are at 45. And as you remember, in the beginning of the week, the index was at 74 and 79. And now we are back in the neutral zone and the fear zone. So yesterday we were at 47. That was a neutral zone, but now we are back a little bit in the fear zone. And as you know, uh, the index was in the extreme fear for more than 3 months and now came back to the greed zone and just dropped back because the huge dump and huge dump the day before. And let's get more information about this dump. And analysts point to over leveraged traders after Bitcoin flash crashes to 43,000 US dollar. So this is one of the reasons that the crash happened. Traders were hit hard as 3.5 billion US dollar in liquidations took place as Bitcoin price crashed below 43,000 US dollar. Also, we have the chart that most of the liquidations happened on Bybit because there are most of the newbies that they are just rushing in on different YouTube influencers. And one of the single liquidation happened on Huobi. The value 43.67 million US dollars. So that's huge. And yeah, so longs are heavily liquidated as BTC sells off, but this sell-off started on the leverage and derivative exchanges, and we see some manipulation behind it. Maybe whales, maybe some other big players, or some IMF. Also, there was a rumor, so not sure, but all these are added, and that caused this panic sell. Not entirely sure VTF just happened, but that's the sequence of events. The sell-off was mainly on derivative markets like most crashes. Yeah, also from CryptoAd, we got this chart, and then he predicted with this Elliott wave, the market will come down, but also fall below that level. Okay, so the most important takeaway, the 3.5 billion US dollar liquidation. So now the market is a little bit washed out and cleared up. So there are not too much open interest now. Buying the dip, the third largest Bitcoin wallet just bought 23 million US dollar worth of BTC. So guys, this is not a small player. The amount is not so huge, but this is the third largest Bitcoin wallet. So one of the biggest whales, the third biggest whales, and bought more Bitcoin. The mysterious third largest Bitcoin whale bought 490 BTC when it was exchanging hands at around $46,800 in a transaction with a face value of 23 million US dollar. That was also posted by the whale alert. So that's huge. And yeah, this whale also accumulated more Bitcoin with two purchases. One of them was 466 Bitcoin at 47,000. The previous one on August 26 with a modest transaction of 38 Bitcoin. So this whale is still accumulating also in the previous months and the recent months. So congratulations to them. So they know something why they should accumulate more and more Bitcoin. Plan B says no top inside for Bitcoin, stands by year-end six-figure BTC prediction. So guys, Plan B stands by his prediction, and baseline stock-to-flow forecast of 100,000 by Christmas still stands, or more precise, 100,000 US dollar average for this halving period 2020 to 2024. On-chain non-stock-to-flow indicator shows no sign of a top yet, no red dots. This is the line with stock-to-flow forecast. So we don't have any red dots indicating the top. So even we haven't topped out during the May top with Bitcoin. And now we are reaching or we are targeting this 100,000 US dollar levels. Weekly RSI relative strength index is 60. Look at when we last recovered from a below 60 period, October 2020, BTC as at 10,000 US dollar. Price then pumped 5 times. RSI hit 90 and stayed above 70 for 6 months. So if we are looking at the RSI, then the RSI reached this 60 zone, pumped up, and then we stayed below, and now we stayed above, and now from 40 we are back to 60 and waiting to crash through this, and then we'll lead definitely to 100,000 Bitcoin. But nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for educational purposes, and you should do your own research and you should manage your risk, even if you are just stacking your cents for long term or you are day trading. Bitcoin price to hit 100,000 in 2021 or early 2022, Standard Chartered. So we have this price prediction from Standard Chartered. Standard Chartered is one of the leading major bank in the UK. Experts agree that 100,000 price tag for Bitcoin by the end of the year would also exponentially boost Ether's price. Okay, and they say that they see 100,000 for one Bitcoin, and also the research team said that Ether is structurally valued at 26,000 to 35,000, 10 times its current price, but BTC must reach 175,000 for that to occur. Okay. So here we have a president who is breaking new ground, like the top CEO, rolling out innovation he believes in. He bought the dip, as everyone should be. This is from co-founder of ZAP protocol. So sounds good. So this is from Standard Charter, and maybe if I remember right, but maybe they stopped their clients sending money to Binance, but now they are coming out with crypto price prediction, and I think also with services offering buying crypto investment products. So more countries to follow El Salvador's Bitcoin move, Cardano creator says. Yes, let's quote, in the coming years, many more nation states will use crypto as part of their monetary policy, either as reserves in their central banks or using cryptocurrency rails for central bank settlements, or potentially just simply taking a cryptocurrency as El Salvador has done and make it the national currency. So we have several options how nations will handling and embracing crypto. So even they will put in their reserve in the central bank, or using as rails, or just adopting as a legal tender as El Salvador did. Yeah, we already mentioned this 2 days ago. From Edward Snowden, today Bitcoin was formally recognized as legal tender in its first country. Beyond the headlines, there is no pressure on competing nations to acquire Bitcoin, even if only as a reserve asset, as it design massively incentivizes early adoption. That's so true. And also we know that Charles Hoskinson and the Cardano team is doing huge efforts in Africa to spread out Cardano there, and also providing cryptocurrency payment rails in Africa. And yeah, maybe also they will convincing central banks to put Cardano in their reserve. Yes, our next major news is countries are entering in crypto. That was the news yesterday that Texas uh, passed the legislation and recognized cryptocurrencies. And now we have Ukraine passes legislation to recognize and regulate crypto. Eastern European country, a post-Soviet Union country, and the parliament adopted the draft law on virtual assets, legally recognizing cryptocurrency in the country for the first time. The legislation is based on existing standards developed by the Intergovernmental Policy Making Organization and Financial Action Task Force and Money Laundering Agency, or whatever. The adopted norms establish rules for service providers related to the circulation of virtual assets and contribute to the market's de-shadowing. It will become a powerful incentive for the further development of the crypto sphere in Ukraine. So they are attracting crypto entrepreneurs. Banks will open accounts for them and conduct transactions with a new class of assets. I am sure that society, business, and the state will benefit from the legislation of the new sector of the economy. So with this step, I was in Ukraine, I was in Kiev at the crypto conference, also gave a pitch about DeFi and stablecoins, and the crypto community was so vibrant, and also from the financial ministry, and also some president officials from president agency were there, and I see that they are moving forward with this new legislation. So congratulations, Ukraine. Cardano news Cardano regains 2.5 US dollar. Can it retest all-time high before Sunday? Alonso upgrade. So we will have this upgrade on Sunday, and ED price dropped from 3 US dollar to 2, then bounced back, and now we are at 2.5. And we know that everybody expected to just go up, rallying up to 4 US dollar, but now it's a little bit confusing. The successful contract integration to the Cardano mainnet this Sunday would open the gates for new dApps on NFTs on the blockchain. So there will be also smart contracts, DeFi, and NFTs. So similar like we have now on Ethereum and also Solana. But Cardano should just compete also with Solana, not just with Ethereum. Our next piece of news is IOTA Foundation selected to participate in Europe's blockchain infrastructure project. IOTA is among the 7 projects chosen by the European Commission to take part in the EU blockchain initiative. So, guys, one of the crypto assets is participating in the European Commission blockchain initiative. So that's huge. We are very excited and honored to be a part of building Europe's digital services infrastructure. Our goal is to establish IOTA as a foundational technology for Europe and the world. Our economies will be digitized and connected through green, feeless, and scalable DLTs, distributed ledger technologies. So sounds good. And also we have seen some nice pump for IOTA, and then let's check. So IOTA was between the top 10 in the previous bull market, but now we are at 1.5 US dollar almost. And let's see the maximum on the chart. So the top was at 5 US dollar in the previous bull run, and now it was almost at 2 US dollar, and we are getting closer to it. And there was a nice pump in the past few weeks. So you see pumping from 1 to 2 US dollar. So before this news came out, somebody got this insider information and they pumped the price. Also, you see the volume increased. So good to be an insider, right? Okay, so our next piece of news is it was not a news. Just I found this news in this news outlet, but this is quite important news for Litecoin. Litecoin network launches OmniLite to facilitate token and NFT creation. So guys, as you are going to Ethereum, you want to do something, even just a simple Uniswap swap transactions, that you pay a huge amount of gas fees, and also minting NFTs and doing a complex staking, then it's incredible expensive. But Litecoin will have this token and NFT creation, so these smart contracts will able to provide also decentralized financial services and NFTs. And maybe Litecoin will just starting to rallying from here as we are checking the market. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. By the way, this was Sushi, and Sushi was just supported by this 61.8 Fibonacci level, and just bounced there and went up 22%. So that was a cool trade with Sushi. Let's see if we have Litecoin here on the watch list. Yes, here we go. So this is Litecoin, and yeah, we are far from away this 400 US dollar all-time high that made in May. So we'll see. Maybe it can have Litecoin to pump and broke these resistance levels, and once these resistance levels have been broken, then we can target new all-time high. So yes, NFT train. So definitely we will see NFTs on Litecoin. Next piece of news, there was a news yesterday, scrap land product or we will sue. SEC tells Coinbase. Brian Armstrong posted a long statement expressing his dismay at the SEC sketchy behavior. So guys, you should definitely check out this post. So the SEC has reportedly threatened to sue Coinbase over its plans to launch a crypto lending product. The regulator told Coinbase it considers its land product a security, but hasn't explained why. Coinbase asked why, but they hasn't explained. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has accused the regulator of sketchy behavior, claiming that it's creating an unfair market. So guys, you find this on Twitter. Definitely follow Brian Armstrong and check out this tweet. This is a tweet thread. So this is a long thread, but worth to check out, even if you like Coinbase or not. We know Coinbase did a lot for supporting crypto adoption, so check it out, and also share and like, because the world should know. Then SEC also should act as a real regulators, not just a sketchy one. So Robinhood adds recurring daily crypto purchases starting at $1. Okay, Robinhood will let customers make weekly and even daily recurring purchases for a little as $1. The offering provides a way for customers to buy crypto gradually and hedged against volatility. So that's huge. So Robinhood also charging all these costs, so not so cheap to trade there. So it's better to go to trade to Binance or Gemini or Kraken or whatever, but to just dollar cost averaging and purchasing every day or purchasing every month, then it's a good product, and I think there will be not there will be no cost attached to it. So congratulations. Our next piece of news is NBA All-Star Steph Curry joins crypto exchange FTX as global ambassador. Curry has gone from crypto rookie to FTX All-Star in less than a month. So good to see that we have celebrities, athletes coming out and supporting crypto adoption and joining exchanges as ambassadors. So also definitely check out this solanaproject.com, because Solana pumped so high. I think it's much better to enter Solana ecosystem projects and buying their coins instead of buying Solana, because I don't know how far can it go, and it's going really parabolic now, and maybe it will just top out very soon. But all other Solana ecosystem has a nice potential, because Solana, like as you see, Serum is also a Solana ecosystem project. We have a nice price target, and hopefully it will reach it very soon, because it broke up. And also let's check what Bitcoin is doing. Now Bitcoin is getting some strength. So we see, let's see on the hourly. So after doing some stable coin movement here, just starting to going up, we see. So now we are stuck in this zone. Also, many traders are saying that this is a bear flag, and Bitcoin will break down to 42,000 levels. So we see this should act as a support, because also it was a resistance and a support before. So Ethereum is almost doing the same, so not really correcting back, but other alts are doing well, like I showed you, Solana, Serum, and few others. So guys, that was for today. Also check out the CorionX farms on Binance Smart Chain and Uniswap. Some surprise and some announcement will come very soon. So keep your eyes on our farming platforms. So enjoy your day. Please smash the like, push the bell, notification, and subscribe on the channel. Share with your friends. See you tomorrow. Trade safe and see you tomorrow. Bye.